matter what it does to my heart. Give in to love, believe in us. Give in to love, no matter what it does to my heart.
You're now watching RIPS.
We'll call it 90,000 on the day, ladies and gentlemen. There it is. That's exactly what we were looking for. There's that 35 tag as promised. You're likely going to be a lot better than you were last year, as long as you take it seriously.
And RIPS shows the Jack 8. Cash is flowing to RIPS.
Look at that, just getting absolute. And it's RIPS winning one of the biggest pots of the session.
Wow.
$250,000 on the week, baby. Let's go. There's nothing that makes me happier than when I see you folks win. Can it hold this push lower below 80s? This would be a big break if we can hold this push. $6,000 on the day in our Lucid Pro account. This is your entry. This is your ad. This is your takeout. Boom, right there. Good morning, everybody, and happy Thursday. Happy NFP Thursday. It is the final day. Final trading day of the week. We've made it. We're here. We got Fed's Daily talking right now. Let's see. Fed's Daily speaking right now since 7:45. Yeah, that sounds about right. Time is it? 8:19. So we are perking back all the way up to that big, this is what, 333 points off the lows. What's up, Digital Leo? If you're here with me, let me know. I want to see who's here this morning. We got the Germinal, Thetra, Digital Leo, Crockers, Overside, Woogs, Carter in the building. Carlos's mom is here. Nassim, Wave Logic, Jorge. Good morning, Minty Mo. Flying Finn, AFA, Barefoot Greenback, Srini. This is Marion. What's up, Pete? E. Flores. Hefe's here. Good morning, good morning, good morning. So remember, we get NFP today instead of tomorrow. So we're expecting anywhere from 25,000 to 200,000. Those are the numbers. So we basically came up to where we pumped on the first drop in the overnight session. Overnight session from peak to valley was 413 points. So there's a lot of wiggle room here. Keep in mind that margin is restricted at most brokerages right now. So if you're trading on probs, you're going to have limited liquidity. Just keep that in mind. Poker was good yesterday. My friend ended up winning a bracelet. A very good friend. So I'm very excited about that. Was very happy for them. Alpha closed my brother's Alpha Fund account for no reason. Can you help me with this case, please? This is his first account. He's very sad. Are you guys using the same IP? Is that what happened? I'm guessing that's what happened. Yeah, that's what happened, dude. It's gonna take time to get through that. They're probably gonna have to do like a Zoom call with you guys. But yeah, let me go to the back end of Alpha. Just clickety click click click. Yeah, just go through the support channels, man. They don't want people trading from the same like next to each other. Like, of course they don't want that. If you owned a prop firm, would you be like, no problem? If you owned a prop firm, would you be like, psh, go on, don't worry about it, do your thing, bro, you got this. You're trading different shots. Even worse. You're gonna have to get on a Zoom call, my friend, at the very worst. Even worse, bro. Let me guess, no other prop firm has had any issue with this at all. You're like, no, they've all banned me. All the other they're the only ones left that haven't banned me yet. I don't know the answer to that question. This is why I would never want to own a fucking prop firm, to deal with this type of shit. That's not even a funny joke, dude. No. Yeah, if you get on a video call, why don't you just get on a video call with them? Get on a video call, get on a multi-screen share. All right, 3.5 minutes now. 3.5 minutes till NFP. And again, keep in mind that all brokerages margins are going to be cut. Yeah, I mean, like, most prop firms just have a hard rule where they say, like, it's one account per household. Like, straight up. Like, that's how I'd run a prop firm if it was me. I'd be like, I don't fucking care if it's your sister, your daughter, your brother, your sister, your uncle, your cousin. It's one account per household per IP. Otherwise, suck a dick. That would be my rule. Is Global Plus worth it? Probably not, no. Yeah, there you go. Gus said it. Carlos's mom, 7, gifted. I think it's 10 to start a hype train, by the way. Pretty sure it's 10 to start a hype train. What if the whole family are traders? Well, then you should be rich enough to each have your own property. Yeah, hype train will start, I think, in 10. I think it's 10. Today's a full day. Tomorrow's a half day. Roberto says, Rips, I remember last year you were trading with a live account. What happened? Blow it. Also, where's your long-term track record? Anyone can show P&L screen with account numbers. Blew it completely. I'm not a profitable trader. And yeah, I just show a P&L with account numbers. So you answered all your questions. You win. You figured out all the secrets. Any plans for July 4th? Ripping my car down the strip. Here we go. NFP. 5 seconds. And it's like a moon missile. Plus 57,000. Still ripping. We're now up to the first peak of the valley of yesterday. S&P straight up. Done for the day. Nice work there, Mocash. Let's go, baby. Still no trades yet for me. Lucid payout coming, MFF payout coming. Let's go, baby. Gold pump 61 points. Jesus. Insane. Big moves here, big moves. Starting to give back the pump right now. I had a double bottom in the NQ. Wow, it really hit 282. Huh? Crazy. Still pumping. See if it holds these 50s or not. Currently holding 50s. Yeah, it looks like it's going to break out here. Back to 282 3/4. Still juicing, still pumping. A lot of green in equities right now. $30,300. We saw this level yesterday. Yeah, really starting to juice up here now. Housing inflation has been coming down in the U.S., says Daily. Daily's still yapping. It does look sort of like it's popping stops up here, but it does look kind of toppy. See if it breaks down below 300 here. There's a little bit of a refresh down there. $75.70 is the line in the sand in the S&Ps. Be curious to see if it actually breaks below that and holds back below 300 here. It's drifting, but it's not slamming. It looks like margins are back now too. If they slam through these 70s, this thing can crack super low. Seeing if they're going to fade these 70s at all. Right now, holding 70s. '70s are the big line in the sand here. If they don't break through 70s, this thing will probably hold, but let's see. There's still some defenders here at 70s. A lot of buyers here at 70s, but there's some defense. Curious if it's going to break 70s or if it's going to hold 70s. Big line in the sand here. Okay, through 70s. Let's see if they hold the 60 break now. Down to the 50s. And a hold below. Precarious here. Back at 50s. Can I break 50s? Keeps on threatening that break, but doesn't want to go. They need more liquidity to break through. This could be it. I'm not holding that break of 50s. Really want to see them like holding that congruent break. They're just not doing it. Daly's still talking too. We got 15 minutes till the top of the hour now too. Yeah, the buyers here are just definitely holding the line, so they haven't gotten scared enough to like slap it through. Maybe a break to the point of control at 210, maybe. Yeah, we're at the peak of June 25th right now. That's where we're trading at. Yeah, it's basically 60 to 40 here, but these buyers that are stepping in seem very strong and threatening. Definitely making a heavy distribution here now. The longer it holds down here and doesn't break 240, the more likely it is that we'll just start trending upwards. 9 a.m. is in 12 minutes. 12 minutes. Oh. And then I worry, like, if we break 240, it's just going to refresh like 220 and pop like crazy. So I don't think a short is valid yet. Yeah, very much just like steadily just chopping sideways here. If you're trading micros, just watch the regular NQ and regular ES, because they're all going to follow that anyway. You're going to get some differentiated prints, but it's just better to watch the big ones. Curious if they're ever going to break through 240 clean, because there's so much liquidity below in the S&Ps too. I think there's just too many buyers in them. Starting to roll a little bit. There's buyers are right there ready to accept it, or even just short covers. You know, they just don't have extreme weakness, you know? So point of control stepped up here to 250, and now they're starting to find some sellers. We have room down to 75.66 in the S&Ps, but it just feels like there's a lot of acceptance lower, so let's see. Like big sellers there are just getting swallowed by these huge bids. Yeah, it's starting to roll, actually. I think 9 a.m. will bring some spice, for sure. But yeah, it's interesting to see it actually letting loose now. Previous point of control was down here at 210. And that is coincidentally where all the liquidity is in the S&Ps, too. Fed's Daily says we don't want to react quickly when the, or we want to react quickly when the world is changing quickly, I think is what she said. So 210 was the prior line in the sand because of the POC there. Daly says she wants to take things slowly. See if they'll break these 200s. This is right where all the liquidity is in the S&Ps. Now underneath 200, starting to really let loose into those 190s now. Watch for this 185 snap. Watch for this massive close. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and now. There goes Ripsy. Oh, what a day, what a day, what a day, what a day, what a day. Wow. Fuck. Well, I probably don't have to trade for the rest of the month. Jesus Christ. Counting the contracts, you can see it on the tape. God bless. What a fucking trade, dude. What a fucking trade. Rips, I'm going to Vegas in September. Would you be able to give me Carlos's mom's number? It depends. Her prices are going up. Thanks, Broccoli. I don't know, guys. Can we count the number of contracts in this bubble? That was so sick. So fucking juiced. I guess I could have held for the full 100, but it's fine. That was so sick. We need the, you guys gotta get the hype train going, man. You guys keep getting so close. Blue ball's on the hype train. I don't think I want to trade anymore for the rest of the day, to be honest. I mean, I could, but what's the point? Trader Kane, hey, what's up, buddy? You know what just happened. You more than anybody know what just happened, buddy. I know Kane knows how to look at the time and sales. He's good at that. Thank you, buddy. Appreciate you, man. What is going on, by the way, with the Is Botrix not connected or something? That should kick off the fucking hype train. What the fuck is going on here? Love you, pal. Oh, it's a fucking hype train thing. Is it not fucking... No, it should be working. It's pretty lame. It should be on 6 subs, so I don't know. It's broken right now. That's stupid. I'm sorry, guys. The hype train's fucking broken. Fuck. I'm sorry. It's like I don't know why it's not working. Hold on. Let me try to fucking reach out to them really quick. I'm gonna have them try to reset this real quick. Thank fuck we're not in that. That would have been costly. Holy shit. This is why I said I don't even want to fucking trade anymore. Thank fuck we're not in that shit. Jesus Christ. Well, that would have been a nice one to do a little flick of the wrist, actually. But whatever. After a day like today, I really don't care. Wow, what a move. I don't even know what that was from. Oh, 9 a.m. 9 a.m. There you go. There's the 9 a.m. spike, and now we're going Gronk down. Gronk spikies down. Crazy stuff, homies. Sorry, I'm not really interested in trading this right now, but it's okay. You're funny, Jay Whistle. We had one of his disciples in here earlier today. I just agree with whatever anybody says now. The guy who's in here is like, do you even trade your live account anymore? Nope. It's gone, man. It's all gone. You win. You win, man. Yep, it's gone. Blew it. Blew it on the end, dude. I blew it on NFP. I was short, bro. I blew it because I was short on the way up and I was long on the way down. It's all gone. Sorry, man. It's gone, bro. I'm playing the main event today, boys. Roast bot in your chat shows 40% off alpha features, but when you use it, it's 25% off. On the scrolly thing, it says 25% off. Ripsmon needs to fix the bot. Sorry about that. Thank you, everybody. Appreciate you. Thank you, Jim. Appreciate you. Appreciate you. Why'd you close it? The new candle? I closed it the dip below 85. Poker's going well, Kane. Check out the vlogs. Is there a stream for the main event? Yes. Today it starts live streaming on ESPN Plus. Yeah, I think you have to pay for it. Let me see. How to get ESPN Plus. Is that like Disney? Hulu? How do you get it? How do you get that? Like, how to get ESPN Plus? $36 a month? Are you kidding me? What the fuck? Wait, how do you get ESPN Plus? I want ESPN Plus. Oh, it's $12 a month. Okay. Yeah, he did. Were you there creeping in the shadows again, McGruff? There's Ripsy in the background. There he is. That's where I was last night. You're in a 2,500 triple drop? Wait, so you made a deep run. What place did you get? Everyone's watching the World Cup. They're actually watching it. Did USA win? They're watching it in the poker rooms too. Did USA end up winning? Are you winning, son? Richard Harris made the final table of the mini-main. Wait, no way. Damn, 2-0, nice. The first goal didn't count, right? It's scripted. Was the line, who were we playing? Tunisia or something? Yeah, they took back 2 goals. That's what it was. People were fucking going crazy. Boom, 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 boom. Bosnia? Wow. We must have been super favored in that match, huh? Dude, just think, we were trading 100 points ago. Jesus. It's so crazy. This market's just such a gift. It's so crazy. Bosnia's plus it. Jesus Christ. That's in the bag. Who do we play next? Who's the USA up against next? Can you explain why you took that trade, the break of liquidity? This is your tell right there. Everything, if you want to find it that way, can be a pitch and catch. Every single thing can be a pitch and catch. It's the best pattern on earth. It can make you mega rich. No, that's not financial advice. It can make you mildly rich. Can make your day. Every day. Only play poker in casinos. Nice. That's where the World Series of Poker is being played right now. Pitch and catch works only if you get on the right side. That's generally true for any type of trading pattern. Carlos's mom knows about pitch and catch. On NQ, 100-point move with 100 contracts equals 200,000. You've done the math. He's done the math. These are facts. The math has been done. Math done, confirmed. What is the best prop for him to buy 50K? It depends on your trading style. You can always stick around here, do channel points gambles, and win yourself an account. Let's do another channel points gamble. Wait, I didn't even pay out the overs or unders from yesterday. Jesus, what am I doing? What a terrible host I am. Let's see, yesterday was 1026. 1026. 295. Unders. Okay. Let's do a big one here. Actually, let's do a short one. We'll do a short one really quick. Try to make this easy for you guys. A quick little short one here. The alpha you give us is better than any amount of channel points. Yeah, for some people. There's still a lot of people who it'll just go right over their heads, which is fine. It's all good. It's no big deal. Every day. Where's hardware acceleration? Oh yeah, it's there. I don't know why the widget's not working for the Hive Train symbol. Very strange. It's the test is working. Ignore that head train, it's not real. Hello, Rose. Whenever you get the time, please make the videos on how to look at the markets and time and sales. Sure. Lucid before being banished to Lucid Max. What's wrong with Lucid Max? Isn't that a good thing? Why is that a bad thing? I don't understand. How about Funded Seed? Yeah, Funded Seed is amazing, dude. One step dailies are sick. Lucid Max is incredible, just EOD, TPT. Yeah, like what the hell? Why was that not? I'm so confused by a lot of you guys. Like that sounds like an amazing thing, dude. Hit that like button, please. Helps me out. You're right about the IP issue with my brother account. They don't want to give me a refund. I'll hire another internet company to have 2 different IPs. I guess, sure. We're doing good. Streamer Man's doing good today. Having a great day. Streamer Man's very happy. So we took that liquidity, that 100 lot, just above 125 there. What was that? What price was that? 135. You can be sitting back today, filming today, WSOP. Yeah, there's multiple day one start times for the main event. But Magnus Carlsen, the main event one time was so sick. Yeah, nice. Did you play? Or are you playing this year? Who won the overs or unders so I can get another gamble going? I would skip tomorrow. I don't think it's going to be very good. Yeah, main events today. Overs, okay. Let's do the big one here. All right, go ahead. $1 billion DP, what's up, baby? Black Amex or something. There you go, Cube. All right, we got 10 minutes to the open. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. What's up, Victor? What's up, Platt? How are you? PA's way better than I thought it'd be. Why? Dude, it's NFP. Like, of course you're going to have good PA on NFP. How could you not? What do you mean? I'm confused. Why would it be bad PA on NFP? I'm not sure. Might take it. I don't know. Kind of just want to chill. World Series starts in 4.5 hours, so I might just work out before that. So, thanks, TT. I'm thinking also play like day 1B. Let me see. Let's see. Could do Friday, maybe. I don't know. What to do? I don't know. Either playing today or tomorrow. Depends. I want to play today, but fucking, dude, my content team is just like, I cannot believe that I'm still having issues with these guys. Ridiculous. It's so ridiculous. It's like every day I go live, they wait until that. This just like ruins my whole fucking mood. So annoying. So stupid. You look like a typical prob firm trader on the internet. Tank top and hat while streaming. LOL. Nice. Yo, what's up, Libe? Damn, look at this fucking dive straight down. 2 minutes till the market opens. 2 minute warning. 2 minute warning now. Crazy moves. Remember, anything can happen today. We're at the VWAP in NVIDIA. All right, 1 minute warning now. 1 minute warning. 1 minute warning now. This market does not want to wait. Getting smashed. Forty seconds. 40 seconds. So we bounced to the VWAP. 10 seconds now. Welcome back there, Scares. Good luck, everybody. Hope y'all win today. Don't let your memes be dreams, baby. Oh, they're slamming the shit out of it. Not a whole bunch of retracement. Maybe the 20s are holding. So very, very violent flush. Little bounce there, but very violent, very, very violent. A lot of players jockeying for position here. Still very violent sellers on this tape. Very wide spreads too. So back to hundreds. It's crazy how hard they're sweeping to the sell side too. Very thin altogether, overall. Very, very thin. So keep that in mind. We are bouncing at the NVIDIA VWAP, but I don't know if it can hold up. Sellers not interested yet. Big bounce in NVIDIA. S&Ps are going. Apple's going. NVIDIA's going. Microsoft is going. Google and Meta both pulling back here. That's about it. If it topped out in NVIDIA, it would probably be around 198. Bit of a pullback here again. Still has not reclaimed close to 150 at all. Hassett is talking. Jobs are on an upward trajectory. Apple's still going, NVIDIA's still going, Meta rolling, Microsoft pulling back a little bit. I feel like it's gonna probe liquidity lower if it spikes up here. Spike and then dump. Let's see. Slowly holding, slowly holding. Google pulling back up a little bit. Meta still rolling, Microsoft bouncing. With all of them bouncing, it still looks relatively weak though. So let's see if it reclaims 150. This would be such an insane squeeze if it came out. Like 187. Yeah, for a lot of people, it's good to avoid the first 15 minutes, for sure. No doubt, no question. Because the swings are so violent too. I mean, these are huge ranges. Massive, massive ranges. If it perked to like 181 and rejected, that'd be a sweet spot. But it's like struggling to hold up is the thing that I'm seeing. It's like very much struggling to hold. It's like you're getting these little pops, but it's struggling to hold. I'd love to see 181 and then reject. Like, it's a slow grind for sure. Tesla's coming down, Amazon's rolling, Microsoft Meta's still rolling here. You're very thin on both sides still. Very, very thin on both sides. Which is normal. Point of control up there at 150. They gave up 100 there. Looking for a potential hold. Back through 100, let's see. Some green in equities again. People who ask what a refresh of liquidity is, that was a refresh underneath 100. S&P is stronger than the NQ here. See what leads. So still bullish here out of these valleys. Continuing an uptrend. S&Ps are making it very apparent. Defense at 150, but the real defense I think is going to be perceived at 181. Tesla straight down. Nvidia up. Microsoft up. Apple up. Nvidia now double topping here. Will it hold the double top is the question. Point of control moves up to 150 now. I think it's still too dangerous. Volume coming down a little bit. Sellers still there. Yeah, sellers there for sure. They gave up that double top of Nvidia pretty quickly. See what they do at 100 here. Maybe a fake. Okay, it's rolling. Let's see if we roll through 50s now. Can it hold the roll through 50s? Yeah, it's going. Let's see if we make new lows on the day here. Looking for that 50. Break of 50s. No break of 50s yet. Back to hundreds. Refreshing through those hundreds now. Looking for some follow through here. Watching 150s now. S&Ps are still going. Tesla's drilling. Apple's going. Still pushing here. Watching 181 now. See if we reject at 181 here, as we did prior. Starting to roll. See if 150s give out. Through 125 now. Nice reject there at 181. Small bounce in Tesla here. Holding at 150 now. A lot of disagreement still in this area of price. S&P is coming down. Is it going to break this key level? Still holding around 150. A lot of bids stacking up. Still a bit of disagreement here. Slamming lower. Doesn't want to break yet though. Still waffling at 120 here. Starting to let loose towards 100. See if it wants to break this point of control area. Right now it could just be a refresh lower, which is what it looks like it is. So currently holding both sides. Back to 150 here. Big bounce in NVIDIA there at the VWAP as well. So it feels like the bulls are trying to take mega control of this tape right now. They're still fighting right here at 181. Stops are getting popped now. NVIDIA is struggling to break out above 198 halves. Microsoft and Google both holding. Meta a little bit weak. Apple's still very strong. So this is like the midpoint of where we were trading yesterday. Right at 181. Big line of defense here. It's trying to break out. And that strength. Now going through 200 here. Not pulling back at all to 181 yet. NVIDIA topping out again. Starting to give up a little bit here. Still refreshing liquidity on these pullbacks. May factory order data coming out soon here. We are breaking out in NVIDIA now, but we are hitting these topping areas that we saw over the last couple sessions. So back to that 181 area of price. Currently breaking out here still. Still driving. Really trying to drive through this price. Still fighting. Pull back in NVIDIA on that Anthropic news. I'd like to see like one clean pullback here. Right now we are just driving. Okay, watching on these pullbacks. A lot of overhead supply coming in now. Very thick price action. A lot of distribution here. So pullbacks at almost 200 evens. See how bumpy it gets here. Pulling back in NVIDIA right to the VWAP right there. Little perk at the VWAP. Seller's definitely trying to take control here. Do they lose 200 or not? Right now, 85 is holding for the S&Ps. Big consolidation here. They're still holding it. NVIDIA bouncing at VWAP. Still holding right around 50. See if they can break 200 here. Be a lot of weakness underneath that 200. Can they hold this? So they're not reclaiming 250. NVIDIA bouncing still. Watching on this pullback. Factory orders coming out in 1 minute here. 1 minute. Uh. 15 seconds. Data's in. Negative 1.3. Book is filling back up here. Let's see. Looks like it's just holding here at 40s. S&Ps are starting to get a little soft. Nvidia's still going though. Nvidia's still juicing. More weight on inflation persistence. Longer hold. Holding at 70s now. Data in the second half will be particularly important for me, says man. Nvidia's going. Fiscal measures are important, getting us back to the inflation target. It looks like there's a TWAP buying algorithm going, from what I can gather. 70s is a big area of price. Back down to these 50s now. See if those TWAP buyers are still on the tape. Right down to the point of control there. In the S&Ps. We're starting to break through a little bit. This 50 area price is huge. Point of control just moved to 40 now. Looking for sellers to take control here. Can they find the control? Interesting. They couldn't get that control under 230. A good slam though. Want to see sellers take full control over that 230. It's starting to now. It's tricky because the point of control is right there. Yeah, they're still wrestling here. A lot of disagreement in price. Yeah, ES is still holding up for sure too. Lots of strength still, even after that pullback. So sellers could not take full control underneath 230 there. We're hitting the top of NQ's range. Oh, fuck. Nvidia's range. Jesus. Every time I look at Nvidia, I want to call it NASDAQ. Okay, they're losing 230 again. Nvidia's rejecting at yesterday's highs as well. Apple's still going though. And Meta is bouncing back up. Microsoft's rolling just a touch. So you're not having a lot of congruence in the price action today. They're trying to see if they can lose 200 again. That could just be a draw of liquidity though. Wow, huge sellers there. Accepted though at 200. Wow, look at these sellers, bro. Massive sellers coming in. Massive, massive sellers, dude. Wow. Massive, massive sellers. Huge sellers on this tape now. It's a huge battle though. Yeah, Nvidia's getting clapped. Dude, that was such an insane amount of sellers underneath there. Huge battle still. As strong as those sellers are, there's still like a massive amount of buyers trying to step in. You can see it on the tape. It's crazy. What a battle. 75.80 is the big battle in the S&Ps. Yeah, they're trying their hardest here. 100%. They're trying to reclaim 200 again in the NASDAQ. Fighting now at 180. Massive sellers now. Crazy, they're just getting bought up like almost immediately. But these are big, big sellers, dude. Huge sellers, dude. It's crazy how fast they're getting bought up, too. Look at that. Almost immediately. Back through 150. That was like a big draw of liquidity down there and then immediately bought up. Back to 160 VWAP. It's fighting at the VWAP right now. Yeah, they're holding it. Crazy. That was a huge draw down there. S&P's immediately recovered. Huge draw. $70-point bounce. S&P is super resilient here. Big bounce. They drew liquidity underneath 75.80. That was the key level to watch. So drew a ton of liquidity underneath there. Extremely violent sellers could not take control of the tape. We didn't hit the VWAP in the in Nvidia, and everything is just kind of holding right now. So very very strong for the buyers here. Still squeezing. S&P is going for a new high day here, I think. Yeah, can 250 hold new high of day there on the S&Ps? Still squeezing. Or almost a new high of day. Now looking to break out in the NASDAQ here at the 50 level. Nvidia trying its hardest to break 200 as well. $250 looks like it's the line in the sand here. S&Ps are trying to make a new high of day, like I said. Sellers trying to lay it on thick here underneath 250, but there's a lot of buyers that are trying to accept that down there. I mean, you have these sellers that are super strong, but these buyers are just overwhelming them. See if they can break through. They come down to these key areas of price and they just can't hold the break. Like right here at 215, you have a massive amount of sellers to break down. There you go. And then instantly bought up. That is wild. A lot of buyers on this tape right now. Still. Nvidia's trying to pull back here. 200 drawing below. See how enormous the bounce is. Right now, no big bounce yet. But sellers becoming exhausted underneath 200. Feels like you can't find congruency in either direction right now. You get exhaustion on both sides and then a flip. So back to 220 there, ripping through 220. S&P's again still trying to make new high of day. Microsoft, Nvidia, Amazon, Apple all strong. Google and Tesla are the only ones that are showing weakness. Tesla the weakest of the bunch. So big flick of the wrist there up at 225 and now rejecting. It's just S&Ps cannot make a new high of day here. Now selling violently. Back at the point of control in the S&Ps. Big rejection there in Nvidia. It's trying to find violence now below 150. 150 seems to be that line in the sand. $150 not breaking yet. If they get sellers to unload here, it'll crack, but right now it's just having trouble at 150. Big area of price here. There's the crack. Okay, there's some violence. Straight to 100. Nice move. And you gotta be quick. This thing is like so fucking violent. Can't hold for like the break of 100s. Doji on the 15-minute in Nvidia. It's again threatening this break lower, but S&P's has other ideas. We're underneath the point of control right now. Back at these 150s now. It's having trouble at 150s. Okay, a little bit of a rejection there. Nvidia's still on a doji. Interesting distribution right now. So every time it reclaims 150, it's rejecting. So very interesting distribution. Sellers look like they want to take control of this underneath 100. That's the attempt, at least, that I see. And that will bring another draw of liquidity below 75.80 in the S&Ps. So back at the VWAP here. Still attempting to break those hundreds to the downside. Nvidia is still forming a doji here. So cannot reclaim 125 there. Down to the hundreds. Hundreds are breaking. 75.80 is trading in the S&Ps. This is where you're looking for that draw. Microsoft's still strong here. Nvidia trying to claim, or Nasdaq trying to claim 100. Nasdaq holding the claim of 100 for the time being. 75.80 draw intact. Are sellers exhausted? Watching hundreds. Sellers are not exhausted. Starting to let loose underneath 80s now. Is it a valid draw? Watching for that flush. Bingo. Solid pitch and catch there, 125 to 75.80. Still doji on Nvidia. Yeah, WSOP is still running. Still trouble at 100 here. 75.80 is a thing of the past. Breaking lower here. Watching now 50s. Nvidia at the VWAP now. Break at the VWAP sends this thing lower. watching this 50 perk. NVIDIA at VWAP still. Bottom of the hour, we have DOE, or natty gas. NVIDIA bouncing in the VWAP. Microsoft still strong, Apple still strong, Tesla very weak. Google is on the doji. A lot of liquidity here, likely to be drawn at 50. Having trouble. NVIDIA back at VWAP. Drawing lower. Potential break of 30,000 here. $30,000 break. Still unwinding at the 50s. Watching for the 50 to hold. '50s breaking. There's the roll. Beautiful. Out. Beautiful. Oh, we are working, boys. We are working. We are working. Somebody asked if I'm trading today. No, man. I'm just watching. I'm just watching, bro. Let's go, baby. Yeah, I blew it. Yeah, it's like, yeah, I blew it, dude. What a day. God bless these markets. What a fucking gift it is. Day like today, man. I love this job, guys. I love this job. I fucking love this job. Oh, I love this job so much. It's just the greatest job on the planet Earth. Let me see what my heart rate's at. I'm trying to keep it down. I'm pretty calm. Let's see. I gotta do my fucking journal. Whatever, I'm over it. God damn, so good. Whoa! God damn, dude. Patience, baby. Patience. Scalp, scalp, scalp. Massive unwind. It's fucking beautiful, baby. 50 points in a flash. Fucking beautiful. What a goddamn gorgeous day. Dude. So fucking sick. I mean, Ripsy reversal is intact, I'm not gonna lie. crazy. Oh, man. Shout out to the 4,000 of you that are bearing witness to today. Shout out. I'm watching ES, yeah. So I can put on size on ES if I want to. I could have shorted ES in there too, but I didn't. Pay those unders, sure. There you go. It's free, by the way. This is free. This is free, dude. It's crazy. Just saying. Doesn't matter what I made, right? Doesn't matter. I gave you clear comms the whole time. It's like, dude, if you pulled up to a desk at a pro trading house and you got to sit next to somebody who's scalping the market all day for the last hour of the market, it's the same thing. Like I'm literally talking you through every single thing that's going through my head, saying every thought that I have. How'd you guys do? Drop a W if you made money today, drop an L if you lost. Curious how you guys did. I'm never gonna be more locked in than that. I didn't have to trade the open, but I was like, man, this is like, I don't want to miss out on a fucking clutch day, and I'm not gonna trade tomorrow, so I might as well make it count. For you guys who lost, I'm curious, what was the trigger? Yeah, of course, I'm keeping an eye out for the 1030, the data that we're gonna have. I'm keeping an eye out for all of this, guys. You have to understand too, like when you've been doing this for 12 years, like the time of day and everything is it just becomes second nature. And the way that the flows change approaching those time frames, it just comes, it's pattern recognition. It just takes time, guys. It just takes time. See, I'm not the kind of trader who will like, dude, I had shorts, literally. I was short here. I was short here. I'm not the kind of trader who holds that. There's times when I do, but like I'm more interested in scalping this. Short here, cover here, short here, cover here, short, cover, short, cover, short. You know, that's what I'm more interested in doing. Can't do it right, starting to hate this. I mean, dude, today was not easy at all. By the way, today was easy. I'm holding a fucking trade from here to fucking there. It's fucking ridiculous amount. It's not easy, man. Stop cheating yourself thinking it's easy. I gotta take my TM, we'll be right back. All right, we're back. Now giving up 900. Crazy, dude. Still probing lower. Shamasay. Rips, I changed Quantower heat map. Minute order to 20 and max to 50 to filter out noise. I mean, I will never filter. Do whatever you want, though. Do what works for you, man. I don't filter. I never do. Never will. So the lows are down there at like 8:30. Right? London low, 8:30. I mean, my mental capital shot. I should do my journal. I want to see. Wonder if I should play today or tomorrow for the World Series. I want to play so bad today. I think I should just play today. I streamed yesterday too, right? Think you'll start taking Tamiflu on the regular now, like a new peptide? It's funny. Dude, my strain on the day is 14.3. Stress monitor is high. Where's my my heart rate? How do I check my past heart rate? How do we do this? I don't know how to check my, let me see, health monitor, heart rate. How do I find my, like, past heart rate? Anybody know? I'm at 107 right now, which is great. Anybody know how to check, like, no idea. Stress monitor was definitely up there. My stress monitor dropped completely 5 minutes before the open, which is great. Can you please tell us why you chose total volume dot rather than volume delta? I mean, somebody already answered that question for you, Cyborg. Like, he already answered that for you, and that's the correct answer. You get paid today? I traded the NASDAQ. What do you think? Traded the NASDAQ, Blair. Do you think we're doing this for funsies? So do I play WSOP tomorrow? Or do I play today? Today starts in 3.5 hours. What are you eating tonight? I don't know. It doesn't matter because WSOP. Yeah, look at these sellers still in full control of this tape. Nvidia just ate shit, bro. So beautiful. It's nuts. Use some indicator when you look at stocks. If you go on my Instagram stories, I think you can see my setup still. Let me see. Yeah, go on my Instagram stories. You can see my setup. Lower for the day? I mean, maybe 8:30. I mean, that was, if you missed the move, you missed the move, dude. It's insane. It's like, how many points is this? It's like 450 points. Move's over. That was it. Nvidia was trying to hold breaking out of 200 and it just couldn't. That was the move. Breaking 900s now. Trying to put in a new New York low. S&Ps are trying to hold the line though. Really trying to hold the line. Yeah, I can sleep in tomorrow, but it starts at 11 o'clock tomorrow too. So I don't know. You only get one entry. Kind of feel like playing today. Still unsure. Yeah, look at this thing fucking getting cracked. New low. New low. Going for that 830 now. Dude, nobody's buying this shit. Nvidia getting cracked, brother. Correct. Now it's trying to break 830, the London low. There it goes. Nothing's holding this thing up. There it goes. Jesus. 800's trying to refresh liquidity now. Nvidia's still drilling. Sellers still very aggressive here. Probing into June 23rd's price. So drawing liquidity in 800s, immediately failing that bounce. Nvidia's small bounce there. Still trying to probe around these 800s. Letting loose. May have found a floor here. Wow. Big sellers there. Holy smokes. Massive sellers. This is great. This is insane. Glad to be a place where pitching and catching all the way down is not judged. Yeah, exactly. Just keep sending it. Bigger point of control is at 730. So you're talking about 50 handles from here. Much lower. It hasn't had a grandiose bounce though, so that's still definitely on the ticket somewhere. A massive grandiose bounce. It's got to be on the ticket. Still. Somewhere. You can see it's kind of consolidating here, but it's still very weak. Yeah, there's a bit of a bounce. Yeah, there's your, okay, little perky bounce. See how hard it perks here out of this bounce. These could be 100-point drivers here. Nope, that wasn't the one. Yeah, definitely finding some consolidatory energy here. Market still looks pretty weak overall. S&P is trying to bounce as well. Okay, 1045. This should be interesting. Refresh of liquidity at 1045. Will this be the big one? The 100 handle. Will this be the one? Excuse me. It's priming. It's trying. There it goes. Back to 850. There's people that are trying to hold the line at 850 now. Survey says 825, 2 week. Drilling. 800s might hold here. I won't find out. Pitch and catch 850 to 810. Little scalps. Little scalps. 800's being defended. And rightly so. There's going to be a lot of people that want to cover there, obviously. A little bit of a flick here again towards 850. Like I said, this is that consolidatory zone right now where the market's covering all the sellers from earlier. A lot of liquidity needs to be changed. And currently made a higher low as well. So it's trying to make its way out of the valley of despair. Nvidia is bouncing too. Now, to think that this can't return that whole sell-off, you'd be foolish to think so. This can jump right back up to 30,000. This is why you need to be careful in your sizing when you have these types of moves. Extremely careful. Sellers are still in control, however. You can see that pretty clearly. Back to 800. Still massive selling here. S&P is trying to make new lows. New low of day. NASDAQ is rolling. Will it reclaim 800 here? We have a player at 170, at 750 rather. It's not a lot of contracts if you think it is. It's just not. Potential reclaim of 800 here. Smashed. Nvidia big bounce. So are you late to the moves? Are you missing the moves? Are you being patient? Are you playing smart? Nvidia trying to hold things up here. Trying. See if it breaks 800s again. It's trying to hold back, but we'll see. Sellers are still very much in control here. They're trying to wrestle control through 800. There it is. Nice. Another PNC. Might be done. I feel like I've squeezed a lot out of this. Put a lot of lemonade on the stand today. It's so cool to see you guys that are crushing it in here. Absolutely love to see that. You guys that are making a difference in your trading is awesome to see. But Nvidia is still too weak to reclaim 850s in the NASDAQ here. Another 850 through 800. And Nvidia is still very, very weak here. Having a lot of trouble. Nvidia would potentially bounce here at 195 halves. Keep that in mind. If it does, it'll ricochet the market back above 800. S&Ps are kind of holding the line here too. So it's all on Nvidia right now. If Nvidia wants to roll, it'll roll. Right now, it's threatening the break of 195 halves. Still very weak. Big player there at 750. Not enough though to hold the line. Nvidia just broke 195 halves. Now down to that 730 point of control area. A lot of liquidity down here. Nvidia still holding that weakness. Bit of a bounce here. Nvidia back above 195 halves. Will it hold? Currently not holding. Waffling in between, I should say. Big players here are still at 750 trying to get filled. Seems like a decent enough price to get fills at. Yeah, good advice by Pie Trades with an ATR 55 in the 1 minute. It's definitely good to watch your size because it'll move so much. You don't have to use big size to make big money. So back up to 800 here. Can it reclaim 800? It's trying. Nvidia now going for 196. There's her claim of 800s. Still people shorting into this move. Nvidia above 196 now. Still driving. Meta bouncing too. Might be perking back up through 825 here. Let's see. Yeah, bidders are still super weak. They are putting the pressure on the offers right now too. Can they make it all the way to 850 again? Let's see. Bit of a double top up there. This is like the midpoint of liquidity too. Yeah, they're trying, but no dice. Nvidia coming back down here. See if it holds below 760 now, because there are big sellers on the tape. So if they persist, this thing can definitely crack lower. Would be watching 750 perhaps for a break. Right now, currently holding. Back to 780. It's trying to make a stand at 780. Nvidia bouncing too. Back to 780. Big price at 780. Big mess of liquidity there. See if they hold that push. Right now, just waffling. Sellers not taking control yet. Big burst of buyers here. Do they take it all the way to 850? Back to 800. They will not give up 800 yet. Squeezing. $850 is the level to watch, I think. Big bounce from Nvidia. Comfortably back above 196. $850 definitely the level to watch. Okay, 11 a.m. Here it comes. $850 seems to be that line in the sand that doesn't want to crack. Will it hold below 800 is the question. If it broke below 800 here, this thing would be curtains. Currently back up towards 850. Trying to find its way out of this valley of despair. Looking for that spike through 850 and then a flashback down. It's what it looks like it wants to do. Back at 850. Will it roll? $8.50 is everything here. Waffling between 850 and 812 right now. Seems to be the pertinent line in the sand. Back to the point of control. Is it going to break 800 and hold that break? If sellers take control here, it is dead. Right now, holding that 810 Fury. Will sellers flash through here? They're trying. There's so much room underneath that too. There are some buyers underneath 800 there. I just don't know if they're strong enough to hold the line. Back to that point of control. Starting to let loose here. Nice move lower. Out there. Nice. That's a longer hold. 850 to 760. Nice move. Happy with that. $850 is our key level there. I guess we could have held for the full 100. Oh well. Such is life. The way it goes sometimes. I just don't want to get caught in that 20 handle bounce. What time frame do you trade candlesticks? 15 minute. Still going lower. Nice move there. Refreshing at 750 and getting slammed. A lot of buyers trying to step in, but I don't think they can save this thing. There's a player at 700 with 900 contracts, but I think that'll be a thing of the past. Yeah, they pulled it immediately. Maybe T-Wop buy that shit. Yeah, they're beating the brakes off of NVIDIA right now. This is crazy. $750 now, key level. S&P's going lower. This is a double bottom here in the S&Ps. If it does break this, it'll crack super hard, like that. Nvidia coming towards a double bottom as well. Big break of 700 here. See if they draw super hard. Back to Monday's mid now. Yeah, they're still drawing pretty aggressively underneath 700 here. Yeah, I'd like to see that bouncing first. Big unwind here towards the 60s. S&Ps are unwinding heavily here. This is a big level in the NVIDIA. Huge level in NVIDIA here. If this breaks, it's going to crack super hard. Big, big level in NVIDIA. It's trying to break. So watch out for a violent bounce here. Just be careful. Right to 650. A lot of pressure still coming in. Huge pressure. I'm gonna take that off there. Nice. Dude. The market gives you lemons. Fucking insane. I keep wanting to stop, but how can I stop, dude? How can I fucking stop? There's your big bounce. Told you. How can I stop? S&P is way weaker than NASDAQ now. This is crazy, dude. Oh, this is fucking hilarious. Holy shit. Yeah, we had that double bottom break in NVIDIA, as told before it happened. That's what happened. Now, if you find yourself longing, like, it's time to check your trading at the door, my friend. Find yourself longing in this price action. Stop trying to be a hero. Like, if you caught that long from 800 to 850, great. But like, man, chill the fuck out on your longs, dude. Stop trying to be the hero who catches the fucking bounce. Knock it off. You know? Stop trying to be the hero that saves the market. Finds the bottom. Thank you, Ribs, for tape reading. Was deep in drawdown, now plus money. Let's go, baby. That's what I want to hear. That's what I want to hear. That's what I want to fucking hear. Bro, did we like literally bottom tick this motherfucker? Dare I say we fucking bottom tick this bitch? Look at that. Oh, dog. Bang. 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 Fucking bang. This is what it looks like. I mean, if you talk to anybody who scalps, tell them to watch this and be like, yo, is this guy a pro scalper? Just have them watch today's stream. They'll let you know. Anybody that you respect as a trader, just have them watch today's stream. See what they say. In the fucking pocket, dude. Thought you were prop trading this year? Yeah, I mean, I would have to have What a waste that would have been today. Think about how much money I would have left on the table today, dude. What a fucking waste. You know? People are liking this too, so we're not losing the audience. I mean, fuck, we lost 2,000 people so far. People are fucking... You guys all short or fucking long in this thing? Now, there was somebody yesterday who was complaining. They're like, you're never trading props again. Oh, this sucks. I shit you not, brother. We're up 100 points. 100-point bounce. This is why it's like, I love scalping, dude. Up 100 points on that bounce. Why I love scalping. This is why you don't fucking hold. I hope. What's up, Fun and See? How are you? I'm fucking grandiose, baby. How much you up today? $11.48. Made 1036 with you this morning. Let's go, baby. That's what I like to hear. That's what I like to hear, baby. I mean, I guess I could have... I'm always going to cover those lows. I'm just diagnosing like what I could have done differently. You know, I'm always going to cover right at those fucking lows earlier. Like I covered at, what is this? 771. I'm always going to cover there. And then covered at 635 is the average cover price, 635 and change. Oh wow, I forgot it's a new month. Holy shit, I totally forgot it's even like a new month. I'm like tripping. I'm like, oh shit. I totally forgot it was even like a new month. My bad. That's crazy. I'm probably gonna withdraw today. A little bit of, a couple of shekels. I think I go play the World Series today. Ride this heat wave. I think that's what I do. Tournament starts. I should probably work out, get a little lift in. We've been live for 3 hours. I think that's what I need to do. I need to go get a little lift in. I think like, dude, I just ride this wave of happiness into the World Series and I just ride the good vibes and I just picture myself winning. That's what I think I do. Chest and arms today? Yeah, probably some Showtime muscles. I think that's what the plan is. I think that's what we do, baby. I just think that's what we gonna do. One of my new favorite things to do now is I always go into quantity when I'm not trading and I just go into quantity. I don't know if you could do this. You could do your scroll wheel and you just whip it right down so you don't get yourself into any trouble. And then when you're trading, you scroll it back up. I didn't know you could do that with the scroll wheel and the quantity. It's a great way to not fuck yourself. Like I have not fucked myself with quantity in the longest time because of that trick. Crazy, crazy market, dude. Just think I was short. Can I get my sells back at 283, please? That was crazy. 283 was my highest, I believe. Yeah. 283 average was my highest trade of the day. Can I have those back? That'd be insane. That'd be fucking insane. If I just held that. He's so insane. Could have just held that bitch. I don't think we ever touched higher than 283 when I was in. Yeah, no, we didn't. Could have just held that. We perked back up to like 250. Yeah, I could have held that bitch the whole way down. Oh well. I mean, dude, if I keep trading, I'm gonna be locked. I'm gonna miss the World Series. I gotta stop trading at some point. Like, I'm sure, like, yes, I'll always miss opportunities, right? If I wouldn't have kept trading, I wouldn't have added that extra couple bucks to my account. So happy that I traded. All right. Next Monday is when I'm going to be live again. Sunday or Monday, I'm going to be live again. I'm giving away a free iPad. I'm giving away an iPad to somebody. So tune in for that. Also, the vlogs will continue to launch on Monday right now. So I appreciate you guys being in here. Appreciate you guys hanging with me. What a fun day. What a freaking awesome day today was. It's always a good time when we have a day like today. I never take it for granted. I always feel forever, eternally grateful. And I'm so glad that I never, ever... You have to remember, when I took my break, I thought I was never going to come back to trading. And if I never would have came back to trading, I would never have days like today. And so like days like today are the reminder of why it was a good choice to take that break, come back, and schmack it. Dude, that's another 100 points. This is crazy. This is so dope. This market's so dope. Any questions before I go? I don't think so. Yeah, happy 4th of July. Be good, everybody. I'll see you guys either Sunday or Monday. I might go live tomorrow. We'll see. I mean, we'll see. Sunday or Monday, though. Champs. Love you guys. Be good. Be careful. Stop trying to long the fucking market that's going straight down, please. I love you guys. Take care. Check my Instagram story for updates if you care about the World Series of Poker. I'll be updating you guys there. Be good. Happy days, buddy. Happy days. Take care. Love you guys. See ya. Bye. See ya.